Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to interface an lm35 with an arduino. So what is an lm35? An lm35 is a temperature sensor which may look like a transistor, and as you see there are two sides to it. One is the curved side and the other side is a flat side. So as you take the flat side as your face, to the left extreme end you have the positive 5 volt, and in the middle you get the output which is a analog value, and to the extreme right you have the ground pin. So this temperature sensor can be used for various purposes, such as to measure the temperature of your room, or you can use it to measure the temperature of a battery. So to build this project you need certain components such as LM35, Arduino, a breadboard and 3 jumper wires for 3 pins. So let us see how to build this. So let us first hook up the LM35 to the breadboard. Now as you see, I have hooked up in such a way that the flat side of the LM35 is facing me. Now as I said that before, the left extreme end is the positive 5 volt. So I'm giving a red wire. And the middle one is the output pin. So I'm giving a yellow wire. Now at the last pin, that the extreme right pin, is the ground. So I'm giving a black wire. Now let us hook up the Arduino to the breadboard. Now as I said that the red wire indicates the 5 volt, so I'm giving the red wire to the 5 volt of the Arduino. And the yellow pin is the output pin which gives an analog value, so I'm giving it to the analog pin of the Arduino, which is A0, and you can give it to any analog pin, and for now I'm giving it to the A0 pin. And the last pin is the black, which is the ground, which has to be connected to the ground of the Arduino. Now as you see, the setup has been completed. Now let us look into the coding part. So in the void setup section, let us initialize the pin mode, that is A0, input. So as you know that the sensor is giving the input to the Arduino, so it is initialized as input. Now in the void loop section, we are going to initialize a variable called data. Now data is equal to analog read A0, which means the value which we get in the A0 pin of the Arduino from the sensor is being stored to the data. Now we are going to initialize another variable called temperature. So temperature is equal to data into, now we have to multiply with a constant. So how to calculate this constant? So to calculate this constant, we know that the ADCs of Arduino is 2 to the power 10. So 5 divided by 1024, which is equal to 0.00488, which is in volts. Now to convert it into millivolts, we have to multiply it by 1000. So as you see, we got a value of 4.882. Now according to the datasheet of LM35, it says that 10 millivolt represent 1 centigrade. So we have to divide it by 10. So which is equal to 0.4882. So we have to multiply it with 0.4882. Now to output this value, I'm going to use serial dot print ln temperature. So this is a serial monitor which is inbuilt in the Arduino. Now to initialize that serial monitor, I'm going to give serial dot begin, and the baud rate is 9600. Now I'm giving a delay of 30 milliseconds. Okay, now let's upload this code to the Arduino. As you see, the code has been uploaded. Now let's open the serial monitor. Now as you see that the values are 30, which means 30 degrees. So currently the temperature in my room is 30 degrees centigrade. So that's how the project is. Now if you want to further connect an LCD, so please comment me in the comment section. So we will make another video regarding how to connect an LCD to this project. So thank you guys. So if you like the video, give us a like and share and subscribe. Thank you.